Discover the future. AI Trends 2024. Welcome to the Critical Productions, where we dive into the future of technology. Today, we're exploring the groundbreaking AI trends of 2024 that are reshaping our world. First up, customized chatbots. In a bid to make AI accessible to all, giants like Google and OpenAI are empowering users to create their own AI-driven assistants. Imagine crafting a chatbot that knows exactly what you need, with no coding required. Next, we tackle a pressing issue: AI-generated election disinformation. With the rise of deepfakes, distinguishing truth from fiction has never been more challenging. How will democracy adapt in the age of AI? Ethical AI takes center stage as we discuss the balance between innovation and integrity. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, ensuring it's used responsibly is paramount. And we can't forget about AI for good. From revolutionizing healthcare diagnostics to combating climate change, AI's potential to drive positive change is unlimited. Stay with us as we uncover the possibilities and challenges of AI in 2024. Here at the Critical Productions, we believe understanding AI is the key to unlocking a future filled with innovation and promise.